This is a quick video to show you how to program a remote control for a B&D roller door. Remove the clear plastic controls cover on the front of the opener for direct access to the control panel buttons. Press and hold down the code set button for 2 seconds and release. Press and hold down any available button on the wall remote for 3 seconds and release. Repeat this action. Press and hold down the same remote button for 3 seconds and release. Refit the controls cover. Your remote is now activated. Test it works by pressing the button. For more information, refer to the Quick Operations Guide at bnd.com.au or give us a call on 13 62 63.